Okay, so here we are at the Los Angeles airport, and we just wanted to let you know that we are finally going on our around the world trip. We were pretty busy getting ready for it, and didn't really have time to make this video until now. We just came back from the, what lounge were we at?
The American Airlines first class lounge.
So we were at a fancy lounge. We're going to another fancy lounge, and you know, lounge hopping like usual. And then we're gonna get on our flight to Australia, where we will be flying business class. I've never flown business class before.
Yeah. Lie flat business class. And we're supposed to get free pajamas.
So I didn't pack any pajamas, so I'm really banking on these pajamas. But super excited. This is gonna be the first leg of our trip. We're going to Australia, and then we're gonna go to, like, I don't know, 5 different countries.
Qatar,
Dubai, Colombia, Brazil.
Yeah.
So we're leaving the US. We won't be back for about 3 weeks, and I guess here we go.
So we are at our second lounge at LAX. It's the One World Business Lounge. So you get in if you are flying business class on like American, Qantas, Qatar, etc. Lots of other airlines. And we are flying Qantas today. It's our first time for both of us, and also first time flying lie flat business class for both of us. So we were lucky enough to find some flights that we could book with points on our around the world trip, which we booked with points on business class. And it's pretty sweet. It's nice, big area. Definitely more crowded than the American Airlines flagship first lounge, because it's a little easier to get into this one, but still there was plenty of space. There's probably half the seats are empty, no problem getting food or drinks, there's no waiting anywhere, and it's pretty nice. It's like, people have complained about it being like kind of dim, but I kind of like it because it's nighttime and we're going to be sleeping on the plane, so it's perfect for us.
Okay, so we're at the fancy lounge, and I went to get some chips and salsa, and they have nacho cheese. So I made that, chips, salsa, and nacho cheese, except the cheese is not cheese. It's like squash soup. It's good squash soup. I'm not sure how well it's gonna go with the chips and salsa, but we'll see.
Squachos.
Squachos.
Yeah.
World's first tasting of squachos. What's the verdict?
Really not bad at all.
You're gonna start a trend.
Definitely not cheesy,
No.
but it's savory enough to actually be kind of good.
Okay. Now we know.